Hi, this is the 6-second review and I'm reviewing 4 of the best beauty gift sets for Christmas. So first up we have Drunk Elephant, and this is their party rescue set. So this has got a full-sized tub of the Layla Retro Whipped Cream Moisturiser and then 4 little minis. Next up we have Jo Malone's miniature candle collection, and this has got 5 lovely little dinky Jo Malone scented candles in the brand's signature scents, including grapefruit and green tomato leaf. From MAC we have their shiny Pretty Things goodie bag, which inside comes a mascara, a Kajal eye pencil and this lovely little palette of 6 smoky eyeshadows. So this is the smoky eye set, but it also comes in lots of different themes. And finally we have number 7, this is their 5 steps to radiance. It's got 5 of their skincare heroes, including a full-sized hydration mask, micellar water, facial polish, and a day cream and night cream. So that's it, 4 of the best beauty gift sets for Christmas.